In this video, we're going to do section 3.5, number 36. In this problem, our goal was to do this problem here, 469 minus 312 and 2/3 first, and then divide that answer by 7. So let's do that. Let's do this subtraction right here first, and we see that we will need to either borrow or change each of these two numbers into improper fractions. So let's first of all say to ourselves that this 469 is actually 468 plus one more, but we know that 1 can also be expressed as 3 out of 3, because 3 out of 3 is also 1 whole. So that is 3 over 3, add it to the 468 to give us 468 and 3 over 3, minus the 312 and 2/3, minus 312 and 2/3, minus 312 and 2/3. Now, we see that 468 minus 312 is 156, and 3/3 minus 2/3 is 1/3. And we still have to divide that by 7, so let's not forget that. Now, to do this problem, the division, we're going to change this mixed number to an improper fraction. So what does that actually say? It is 156 plus 1/3 more. Now, that, if we recall, is going to be 469 over 3. Or we can use our shortcut by saying this is 156 over 1. The common denominator is 1 times 3 for 3. So 1 times 3 gives a 3. And 3 times 156 is 468. Plus this 1 right here will give us 469. Now, we have to divide that by 7. But that is saying, oh, 7 over 1. We have to use the reciprocal of the divisor to divide fractions. So we're going to use the reciprocal here. So after we use the reciprocal, that 7 over 1 now becomes 1 over 7. Now we have to think to ourselves, well, are there any factors that can cancel? But the easiest way for some people to do that is to say, well, are all these numbers prime? 3 is prime, 7 is prime, but 469 is not prime because that is 7 times 67 over 3. Now, 7 is prime, 67 is prime, and 3 and 7 are still prime. So we'll cancel this 7 right here, and we have 67 times 1 is 67, and 3 in the denominator, because when 7 over 7 cancel, that left you with 1 over 1, because that's what 7 over 7 actually is. So you could also say that 3 times 1 is 3 right here, and we have to change that to a mixed number. Partially only because we started with a mixed number in our original problem, and that will leave us with 22 and 1/3. And that's how we do section 3.5, number 36.